Crews taking the fight against mosquitoes to the streets of Boston. They started spraying some neighborhoods last night and will continue today as the state deals with 2 cases of the potentially deadly EEE virus. Anna Meiler is live in Boston this morning with what residents should know. Anna?
And Chris, I just want to show you how we protect ourselves. We're obviously out here early in the morning, so we always make sure to use a repellent. And we also have these citronella candles that we set up around our cameras for extra protection. EEE has not been detected in Boston this year, but the Public Health Commission is not taking any chances. Crews will be spraying here in East Boston tonight, and they were out in Hyde Park and West Roxbury with a truck-mounted sprayer last night. Residents are advised to head inside if they see a truck approaching and to keep windows closed during and immediately after the spraying.
The sprayer puts out a fine mist into the air, and then it kills mosquitoes that are present. They're presently flying, and it touches the mosquito, kills the mosquito. Then the product lands minutes after, and it leaves no residual.
2 people in Massachusetts have been diagnosed with EEE. These are the first human cases since 2013. 37 communities across the state are now considered at high or critical risk. To protect yourself, you should avoid going outside at dusk and dawn. Wear long sleeves and pants, use a repellent, and drain standing water from around your home. Spraying here in East Boston will take place between dusk and 11:30 tonight. Crews are also out in New Bedford this morning. They will be in Worcester tonight and Lowell tomorrow. Reporting live in East Boston, Anna Meiler, WBZ This Morning.